We think of them as family pets, gentle companions. But what if the dog curled up on your rug was the only one who held the key to $1 million mystery? What if the most crucial witness was silent, but saw everything? You won't believe the secret this golden retriever kept hidden. Meet Ariel, a highly trained golden retriever working as a therapy and support dog for a prominent elderly art collector, Mr. Alistair Finch. Mr. Finch suffers from severe anxiety and relies heavily on Ariel's calming presence and intuitive commands. The setting is a grand old mansion known for its security and its priceless collection. One stormy night, the mansion's famous, irreplaceable 17th century sapphire necklace, the Star of the Aegean, is stolen right out of the supposedly impenetrable vault in the library. There's no forced entry, no alarms triggered, and only 3 people were in the house: Mr. Finch, his nervous young assistant, Julian, and Ariel. The police are baffled. They suspect an inside job, likely Julian, who seems too eager to help the investigation. Ariel remains quiet, her tail still, her demeanor unusually subdued, a sign Mr. Finch's anxiety is spiking, but also suggesting something is very wrong. The police cannot find the necklace or any solid evidence. Mr. Finch, relying on Ariel's training, asks her to find the unusual. Ariel immediately leads Mr. Finch, not to the library, but to the conservatory, a humid room full of exotic plants. She scratches persistently at a large terracotta pot holding a rare climbing orchid. Mr. Finch tells the police, but they dismiss it, thinking the dog is just reacting to the soil. Feeling desperate, Mr. Finch goes back to the conservatory himself with Ariel. He notices the orchid's leaves look too green and vibrant for the season. Following Ariel's lead, he starts digging. He finds nothing. He almost gives up, but Ariel lets out a soft, sharp bark, a distinct alert command. She's pointing not at the pot, but at a single, small, dark stain on the polished wood floor next to the pot. The stain isn't dirt. It's quick-drying varnish. Mr. Finch realizes the pot wasn't scratched at by Ariel, but that it was recently moved. Julian, the assistant, didn't steal the necklace, but he witnessed the thief and was forced to help conceal the trail. The pot was covering a loose floorboard, but the thief used varnish to seal it back down quickly. The thief had forced Julian to move the pot over the spot to hide his hasty work. Ariel didn't speak a word, but she told the whole story. Her focus, her training, and that simple bark were the only things standing between a criminal and a successful escape. Don't ever underestimate the power of an intelligent dog. What's the cleverest thing your pet has ever done? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see more thrilling tales where our furry friends become heroes, smash that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss our next deep dive into the world of extraordinary animal intelligence.